When you need to ship a guitar, here are some things you need to know. Don't leave room in the case for the guitar to knock around. Moving around in shipment is how guitars get broken. First thing, loosen the strings. They don't need to be floppy loose, but you don't want there to be tension pulling on the headstock while the guitar is being handled in trucks and airports. This is especially important with angled peg heads, like Gibsons, Martins, and Guilds.
Delise is right about the angled peg heads. That's about a 15 to 17 degree angle. This is a block of wood that neck's cut out of, and the grain goes straight. As soon as you cut back that way, you only have this much straight grain and strength. Cut this down to the shape of a guitar neck, put strings on it in the case. When it falls, bam, the peg head comes right off, which means a lot of work for me. A fender neck is different. Even with the little scoop in it, this is a straight grain neck all the way through. It's out of a board. And I know a guy that dropped one of these out of the second floor window just to see what would happen, and it did not break.
I'm adding support under the peg head, around it, and on top of it. I don't want that peg head moving around. Think about an impact here in the middle of the case during shipping. Protect the frets from hitting the strings with a piece of paper. I cut this piece long enough to protect the pickups as well. I don't want the switch knob sticking up like this. I'll send it in a baggie.
Now if you have a guitar with a trapeze tailpiece, you want to protect the finish from that. I got this nice little bag. Paper would do, paper towel taped on. Just don't let it scratch.
Look to see if there's a gap underneath the heel. If there is, support it with some tightly wadded newspaper. I don't want it shifting around, so I'll pack paper down here too. When you pack it right, it won't move around in the case at all.
So once you've packed your guitar in the case, like Elise showed you, you're ready to ship. You'll need a box to put it in and some packaging on the inside to keep the case from moving around in the box. Today we're going to use this protective shipping system from StewMac. It comes with a guitar shipping box and all the protection that goes inside, which stores flat and is inflatable. We use our shop compressor, but you can do it with a hand pump too. The inflatables protect the guitar and don't let it shift around. We even have versions for shipping a bare guitar without a case. How's it going?
It's going good, check it out.
Wow, what a fit.
I like the hat, yeah.
I have packed hundreds and hundreds of boxes in my lifetime, thousands probably. And I have them all over the shop, under the stairs. I have a storage shed down the street. Man, these are really going to change things how we do it, shipping wise. That's awesome.